Hi everyone, we are studying in first standard. My full name is San Philomena High School, Chandapura branch. My name is Karunya. My name is Purvika. Hi Purvika, I know 50 GK concept. Do you know? Yes. Shall I ask questions? Yes, me too. Okay, done. Countries and capital. Countries and capital. France, Paris, Germany, Berlin, Greece, Athens, Hungary, Budapest, India, New Delhi, Indonesia, Jakarta, Iran, Tehran, Hyderabad, Italy, Rome, Jamaica, Kingston, Japan, Tokyo, Kenya, Nairobi, North Korea, Beijing, South Korea, Seoul, Libya, Tripoli, Afghanistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia, Canberra, Australia, Vienna, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Belgium, Brussels, Bhutan, Thimphu, Brazil, Brasilia, Bulgaria, Sofia, Canara, Ottawa, Chai, Santiago, China, Beijing, Colombia, Bogota, Denmark, Copenhagen, Egypt, Cairo, Berlin, Helsinki. Good, Purvika. Okay. My term. Pravas. Work is worship. Honest is the best policy. Where there is a well, there is a way. All that glitters is not gold. Face is the index of mind. A rolling stone gathers no mass. An idle mind is a devil workshop. There is no shortcut to hard work. Do or die. Old is gold. Actions speak louder than words. A journey of 1,000 miles with a single step. An empty vessel makes much noise. A picture is the worth of 1,000 words. A stitch in time, say your smile. As you show you shall. Cleaners is the next to God. Don't judge your book by its cover. Easy come, easy go. Every dog has a day. Laughter is the best medicine. Learn to walk before you run. Think before you ink. Assassin is the mother of invention. No gain without pain. Out of sign, out of mind. Pen is medicine of people whose glass houses should not throw that others. Practice make man perfect. Slow and steady wins the race. When they're going wet off, get off, get going. Don't count your chicken before the egg. A friend indeed, and apple a day keeps the doctor away. Time is money, unity is strength, prevention is better than cure. Truth is stronger than fiction. East, west, homes, west. Everything is fair and love and worth. A think of beauty is joy forever. Wow, very good, Karunya. Now my turn. 5 different shapes of moon. 5 different shapes of moon. Full moon, Hippas moon, crescent moon, half moon, new moon. 5 ovals. 5 ovals. A-E-I-O-U. Ovals. Indian dynasty. Indian dynasty. Chalukya, Chola, Vaisala, Maurya, Pallava, Gupta, Rashtrakuta, Mughal, Vijayanagara, Vardhana. Religions of India. Religions of India. Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi. Indian dynasty. Indian festivals. Indian festivals. Ganesh Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivratri. Borders of India. Borders of India. North Himalaya, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea. Major cities in India. Major cities in India. New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur. 30 districts of Karnataka. 30 districts of Karnataka. Bagalkot, Bellary, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Harbour, Belagavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikkaballapura, Chikkadraga, Dakshina Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hassan, Haveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppala, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagara, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Yadgiri. 7 colors in rainbow. 7 colors in rainbow. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Names of Rutu. Basanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharad Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu. 12 ಮಾಸಗಳು. 12 ಮಾಸಗಳು. ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಭಾದ್ರಪದ, ಅಶ್ವೀಜ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ, ಮದಶಿವ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಮಾಘ, ಪಂಗುಣ. Official languages of India. Official languages of India. Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu. Prime Minister of India. Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru, Gulzarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, V.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Indira Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi. Gnanapita Award winner from Karnataka. Gnanapita Award winner from Karnataka. Kuvempu, Dara Bendre, Shivaram Karam, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Goka, U.R. Anantamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kambara. 7 continents of the world. 7 continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. Neighboring countries of India. Neighboring countries of India. Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka. Dasavatara for Vishnu. Dasavatara for Vishnu. Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki. 4 Vedas. 4 Vedas. Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda. Planets in solar system. social, economic, and political liberty of the expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality, a status, and opportunity, and to promote among them all equality, assuring the dignity of the individual and duality and individuality of the nation. In our Constitution Assembly, this 26th November, this Constitution, education is the best provision for old age. Fundamental rights. Fundamental rights. Right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to religion, cultural and educational right, right to constitutional remedies. Chief Minister of Karnataka. Chief Minister of Karnataka, K. Changalaya Reddy, Kengal Hanmantayya, Kadiyal Manjappa, Yasli Jalingappa, B.D. Jatti, S.R. Kanti, Virendra Patil, D. Devaraj Arasu, R. Gundura, Ramakrishna Yegade, S.R. Bommai, S. Bangarappa, M. Virappa Maili, J.H. Patil, S.M. Krishna, Dharam Singh, H.D. Kumaraswamy, B.S. Yerurappa, D.V. Sadananda Gowda, Jagadish Shivappa Shatta, Siddharamaiah, H.D. Kumaraswamy, B.S. Yerurappa, Basavaraj Bommai. Union territories with the capitals. Union territories with the capital: Andaman Nicobar Islands, Corbett, Chandigarh, Dadra, Nagravali, Srinivasa, Puducherry, Delhi, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Tirunelveli, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shiva, Mizoram, Aizwal, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata. Five sense organs. Five sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Keeps our body clean. Keeps our body clean. I brush my teeth. I bath every day. I cut my nails. I comb my hair. I wash my hair before and after meal. Good dad is to be healthy. Good dad is to be healthy. Go to bed early. Get up early in the morning. Eat good food. Drink milk daily. Do exercise daily. Functions of sense organs. Functions of sense organs: eyes help us to see. Nose help us to breathe and smell. Ear help us to hear. Tongue help us to taste. Skin help us to feel. Parts of the body: head, eyes, nose, ears, tongue, mouth, teeth, shoulders, neck, chest, stomach, hand, fingers, elbow, leg, knee, toes, ankle, foot. Opposites. Opposite words: in, out, up, down, from, to, on, off, top, bottom, over, under, above, below, after, before, inside, outside, near, far, next, previous, period, in front of, against, along, big, small, yes, no, wet, dry, hot, cold, new, old, day, night, low, high, bad, good, sad, by self. Genders.